Ciao! We have made it to Sicily. Actually on a farm, but we're literally glamping. Enjoy the evening in Noto.
Marzamemi, that's where we're going. I guess it's the southernmost tip of Italy.
Granita in front of the Duomo in ORTIGIA, Sicily.
We have arrived in TAORMINA.
That's the best thing I've eaten in Sicily.
We have made it to Sicily. We are on our way to the little town of Noto right now with my mom. She's the driver. And so far, so hot, so beautiful. A little bit chaotic getting here, but that's travel, especially in a foreign country, you know, the things. But we'll chat when we get to the hotel. Okay, where shall I set you? Ciao! So we're here in Noto, which is more of a very, Sicily is one of the most agriculturally, most rich farmland. Of course, you have the volcano here, you have land, lots of land, it has great soil. Right now I'm surrounded by so many gorgeous olive trees. I don't know if you can hear the dogs, but we're actually on a farm, but we're literally glamping. Camping is not my thing, but this is so cute. This tent they have set up, it has walls, it has a bathroom, it has this beautiful bed, and the weather here in Sicily is incredible. Right now, we have not eaten anything all day. We sat in over an hour and a half of traffic in Rome this morning. Totally missed our first flight. Then we had to pay to get on the next flight, which was like 2 hours later. And then we got onto the plane and the plane was delayed, and then we got to the car rental place, and the car rental place took about an hour waiting in line, and you just go with the flow. Just let it go. Just keep moving on, keep looking at, you know, the positives, because you have no option to go back in time and change the way things turned out or the way you chose to do things. So anyways, Noto, that's where we are right now. I'm just so excited to be here. I just wanted to share all of that. So let's go enjoy the evening in Noto. Cardinal. This place is gorgeous. Day 2 in Sicilia. Life is much more calm here, and I love that, and it's much slower. Now, don't get me wrong, the Mediterranean lifestyle, I talk about it all the time. Does anyone live the Mediterranean lifestyle perfectly, especially with such a globalized world we live in? Of course not. No one's living the perfect Mediterranean lifestyle, even here in the Mediterranean. You get too caught up in work, and you overwork yourself, and you start rushing in life, and you don't prioritize your community. It's just your, moment to be like, okay, I need to dial back here and remember what's important in life. And when life gets crazy, you kind of just stop yourself and remember those fundamentals of the Mediterranean lifestyle. No one does it perfectly, even here in the Mediterranean. The point is, we live in a very modern world, but we can try, and we can remind each other, and we can be each other's reminders. So anyways, it's so beautiful being out here in your own little space amongst all these olive trees. It's just so wonderful. So at a very slow morning, moseyed our way over to breakfast. Some yogurt, unsweetened, with some local seasonal fruit, some pretty edible flowers on top, a little bit of pistachios because we are in the land of the most delicious pistachios. And then something savory, so we had the tomatoes with this stracciatella dorata. So it was like a more stringy, more creamy style of mozzarella cheese, which was delicious. They had parsley and oregano on top. I wish there had been basil, but you know me and my basil addiction. And then to top everything off, we had this delicious, felt like more of like an olive oil cake. So anyways, that's kind of what we've been up to here in Sicily so far. Southernmost tip. What are you doing?
I'm videotaping too.
You're videotaping too. Mom's vlogging as well. She wants to start vlogging since I make her vlog me everywhere I go. No, you don't? Okay. We're headed.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. Everyone's out here relaxing, enjoying their vacation, and then there's Caroline pulling out her phone, taking videos, taking photos, pulling out her big Canon camera, pulling out her vlogging Canon camera, pulling out her film camera. It never ends. So anyways, I'm pulling out my phone because I'm just sick of carrying around my vlogging camera. Sunset's at 6:50, so we're gonna try to go see a little town. Marzipan? Is it Marzamemi? Marzamemi, that's where we're going. I guess she claims it's the southernmost tip of Italy. So we're gonna go check it out. I guess it has like one little tiny piazza. My mom has decided she wants a boat only to make it a little garden.
day 3 in Sicily. I'm gonna do a little voiceover because I went a long time without talking and I kind of wanted to explain things as we went. So of course we had our last delicious farm-to-table breakfast at our cool masseria in Noto. So I didn't really talk about this the night before, but Noto and where we're going after this, which is Siracusa, Ortigia, is known for like Sicilian Baroque style, so that's why their churches and architecture looks a little bit different than most things in Italy. It has kind of like this Baroque kind of inspiration. I thought that was really cool to mention. But now we said goodbye to our beautiful hotel and we are driving to Siracusa, to Ortigia, which is this little tiny island off of Siracusa, and it's called kind of like the old town. It's just very beautiful, little. Of course we did some tourist shopping because we are genuine tourists, and the colors and the vibrantness in Sicily just really threw me off. Like, I loved it so much. And of course we stopped for a granita because that is what we have when we're in Sicily, is a granita, and we got a pistachio and strawberry one, which was so good.
Italian ice.
Very good.
Granita in front of the Duomo in Ortigia, Sicily. Ciao. Ciao.
As I was saying, as a tourist in Sicily, I wanted to talk about a lot of the things that I kind of learned being here, which there's like so many symbols. The trinacria, which is 3 legs. It resembles like the 3 points of Sicily in a way. There's the Moor's head, which is like a symbol of like love and betrayal. There's another symbol for prosperity. They have a horse's wheel that's really decorative. That's another symbol. So basically there's just so many beautiful, vibrant symbols of Sicily, and here we are in Taormina. We have arrived in Taormina. So Taormina is very high up. We are staying at a beautiful hotel, and this is our view. We just checked in. It's about 6:20 right now, and here is our beautiful bedroom. Hi, Mom. The city built very high. As someone who gets incredibly nauseous, very difficult to keep my cool coming up here, but I'm already feeling better, and luckily we don't have to get back in a car tonight. I don't know, it's been a couple days since I've had pizza, which, you guys, like when I was in Rome, I was eating pizza every single day like a crazy woman. So it's been a couple days. I think I'm overdue for a pizza.
It's icy more than creamy.
We're at D'Amore.
Yummy.
They closed immediately. They were like, get the F out of our place. We want to go home, you stupid tourists. How are we feeling?
Delicious.
Thoughts, feelings, concerns?
It's delicious. You need to try it.
C'è un presepe permanente.
Bene, da vedere.
Vlogging on my phone again because I was too lazy to bring my vlog camera. Not the best weather. We are looking at a very gray day here in Taormina. At least we won't sweat a ton while we explore and do all the things. And who knows, this is a beautiful, beautiful island, and sometimes there might be some sun, even if it's forecasted to be kind of gray. So we'll see how the day unfolds. There's Mama in her sweet little fall dress. I'm obsessed with this here. If you can hear that our bus is here, so we are up high on the hill above like the centro area of Taormina, and the bus comes every 30-40 minutes to take you down, but we are gonna walk. I love this here. It has the 4 seasons because, you know, the Mediterranean is all about the 4 seasons. Anyways, it is like noon. We had a wonderful breakfast, and now we're gonna walk down to Centro.
So good. Sting.
Interessante.
Try it.
And now we're trying to wait for that to come out, that like sun thing. And look at this hair. Look at this hair. It's crazy. So let's enjoy the Four Seasons. So this is Mom's mocktail, and look how cute her cup is. It has lemons and Sicily and prickly pear. That's my wine. Oh my gosh. So yummy. Aperitivo.
Cheers.
Serve yourself up some caponata.
For me, Monday.
Was it made in the moment?
In the moment.
Are you sure it was
I
filled?
watched her. She went upstairs. She
We
got
didn't-
with pistachio.
Cosa pensi?
Mm.